Illustrator provides a couple different ways to punch a hole through a filled object. The trick to getting this to work is to create two objects, one that overlaps the other. The first way to do this is to select both objects and to use the Object Compound Path option. You can access this using the Control and 8 key or the Command and 8 key on the Mac. If you ever want to undo a compound path, you can just select the Release option and it will be undone. Once a compound path is made, the interior object is cut from the outside object. With compound paths, you can still use the Direct Selection tool to select and edit the points individually. A second way to punch a hole through a filled object is with the Pathfinder functions. Open the Pathfinder panel using the window menu and select the -front option from the Pathfinder panel. This will punch out and create a hole in the same way. This method also lets you edit points using the Direct Selection tool as well.